conclude my presentation, I will now open the floor to questions. Who would like to get the ball rolling? Perhaps you have a question or a thought about the policy implementation process we just discussed. You emphasized the importance of community involvement in the public policy implementation. Why is this involvement so critical and how can it influence the overall success of a policy? Community involvement is crucial because it ensures that those affected by the policy aspect and support it. When communities are effectively engaged, they develop a sense of ownership over the policy, which earns the willingness to participate and cooperate through the implementation process. The Eggman also enables feedback to be great at ground level, helping those responsible for implementation to adjust the policy to better suit local circumstances. More community involvement increases transparency and trust, both of which are essential for achieving long-term policy autonomy. Without this involvement, a policy may be met with resistance or fail to address the actual needs of the population it aims to serve. May we go on? I thought your argument about the growth rate very interesting, especially when it's like to the level of community involvement. It is clear that when communities are effective agents, not only does implementation become smoother, but the growth rate of successful outcomes also increases significantly. The issue that community support is not just a formulation, but a key drive in creating the implementation of public policy. You mentioned that community involvement is essential for success policy implementation. Won't you mind telling me if it will have any consequence of the overall success of the policy? Might ask you to elaborate on the point, especially in terms of how public engagement contributes to long-term outcomes and reducing resistance. Yes, effective community involvement has a significant impact on policy success. When people feel involved and heard, they are more likely to support the implementation process, which helps reduce resistance and ensure that the policy is better adapted to local needs. I see your point about importance of community involvement in the public policy implementation. It makes sense that when people feel included, they become more cooperative and supportive. The facts speak for themselves. Programs with strong community engagement, like the Family Hope programs or the National Healthy Insurance, have shown better sustainability and impact compared to top-down approaches. Thank you for listening my presentation from start to finish.